Okay, what about the others? See, Zahira and let me start again. All right, today we're gonna do Raffles Girls prelim, eh? Okay, 2018. Here we go. We'll start with the first 3 questions. Okay.
Isn't Raffles Girls like top school?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a top school, but you all are also top also, inshallah. Can be the top, right? You're in the top madrasa, right? Are you in the top madrasa? No. Asagov is not top madrasa.
I don't know. Madrasa is a private school, what?
Yeah, it is a private school. Okay, we try now. 1, 2, 1 and question 2.
My answer is 3 for number 1.
Okay. Let me just message the rest. Sorry. Is it blocking you? It is blocking you. Okay.
Wait, what madrasa you guys go to?
Sorry?
What madrasa they all go?
Sophia goes to Al-Sagaf. And what's his name? Shafika goes to Irshad. Okay, sorry, I'm just going to write this.
It's the top madrasa I saw.
Mr. Shaheed.
It's one of the top.
Yeah.
I'm not primary 5, what?
Huh? No,
Then
okay. Because you're that time you start.
You can just call my mother Juliana, what?
Her name is Juliana, right?
Yeah, then you say Juliana, Sophia, primary 5, mom.
Oh, okay.
And plus, I'm not even primary 5.
No, last year, because that, in fact, before this, I didn't put your mother's name. I put parent interested.
So can you let me share screen?
You gonna share screen? What are you gonna? Okay. Oh, I'm still not home. Wait, I'll show Shafika. Okay. You wanna share screen? Are you gonna share something?
Yeah.
Okay. Something good, huh? Something bad, huh? Okay. You can share screen, huh?
Wait. There.
What is this? Yeah, there are 6 madrasas in Singapore. Ma'rif and Al-Sagaf are only females. There's only females inside.
So this all female?
No, the rest are combined.
No, Irshad is primary school and is boy and girl, and then I cannot see lah. And then Aljunaid, which I'm going next year, is boy and girl. And then Madrasah Ma'rif is only girl. And the Arabic is English lah. And then Madrasah Zagaf is primary 1 until diploma, which is only girl. And then Madrasah Al Arabiya is a secondary school, which is
So why don't you wanna continue in your madrasah?
Because I don't like. I mean, it's not that I don't like lah. It's like, it's not like the. I don't know. It's just not like the right environment for me.
Again, come on. What is this girl doing? I take it back now. Okay, I will share screen now. Okay, come. Let us start now. We start until we can tell stories later lah. So Sophia,
Mr. Shaheed, for the, can you show me where is the 10th?
10th.
Yeah.
Now it's so simple here. Let's see now. Right, 1, 2, 3, dot. Let's see. Dot. Oh yeah. No. Sorry. I choose a default. What is this? Dot. 4 and 5. So which one is the ones place? You identify the ones place. Which digit? It's always
3.
be 3. So beside here is 10. Down here is 10th. Beside the 10 is 100. Down here is 100th. So it's always like that. 1, then this one 10, and this one over here is 1 over 10. It's called tenth. Then this one is 100 over here is 1 over 100. So you always need to just identify the ones. Once you identify the ones, you can
The
identify
ones
the
is
tenth.
7, right?
In this case, it's 7, yes.
So and then the tens is 0, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, then my answer is 2.
Okay, what about Miss Rahana?
So wait.
Hold on, I just say okay and then I close my. Okay, Sophia, can you just check your first answer? Don't make careless mistakes, Sophia.
For number 2 is number 3.
Okay, number 2 is number 3. Okay, but down here is not 100 with a TH,
100
you know.
is number 1.
Number 1. Okay,
Yeah.
so we check. This one is ones. Beside the ones, it's the tens. This one is tenth. Some tens, some tenth. Beside that is the hundredths, the hundredth. So it's the 2. Then I just wrote down here. You identify the ones. Beside it is the tens. Beside the ones on the right is the tenth. Then beside it is the hundredth.
Oh,
100 means 1 over 100.
2 is number
So the
2.
answer is 2. Okay, what about the first one? First
The
one,
first
Sophia
one
got
is number 1.
number 1. What about Sophia?
Ah, but then 1000 is 9, right? So you have to.
No, 1,000 is.
Oh, okay. My answer is 1. My answer is 1. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, 1,000. Yeah, this is 1,000. Then you must look on the right, the digit on the right. So you just leave it the way it is. 1 is correct. And then the next one is 2. So be careful. These are questions, giveaway questions. You cannot get this wrong. Okay, we try on next one. Oh, shock, man. What is that? You think? I'm eating this. You know what this is?
Longan.
Duku, ya Allah.
Huh?
Duku.
What's that?
No, people say I give you you get a baduku. Baduku is buah duku. This is
Well, I'm
duku.
just eating a sandwich.
Okay.
I eat a
I'm
croissant.
eating air and knowledge.
Yeah. You know what's a croissant? Not?
A croissant?
Yeah, the one that I'm eating now.
Yeah, but what is it? It's the word crescent. In the olden days, the Europeans, they were so afraid of the Muslims, and then they make this kueh and all that, and they eat the Muslims, they say, and they're eating croissant. That's crescent. Croissant is like this, right? The shape. It means crescent. Mata sabit. Mata sabit means Muslim, Islam. Just for your information, of course, we are not covering Islam, but that's where it comes from. Okay, come. The next one, number 3.
Answer is 3.
3. What about Rahana?
Answer is 3 also.
3 also. 2, 3, 4, 8. You plus 10 more minutes, it becomes, because of plus 20, right? But you plus 10 first. It becomes 2358. 2358 is 11:58 p.m. Right? 11:58 p.m. Then you plus another 2 minutes, become 12 a.m. You plus another 2, now you must plus 10, right? You plus 2 first, is 12 a.m. 12 midnight. PM now becomes AM, and then you plus 2, so you're supposed to plus 10. You have got a balance of 8, so you plus the 8 becomes 12:08. Okay. Question 4. Biggest to smallest. Easy lah.
My answer is 3.
What about
Hey, when are they coming?
This type of question is very hard to get. But this type I don't understand.
you can identify the biggest number? Which one is the biggest number?
The biggest number is the 2 out of 5.
Biggest. Okay, I
Yeah.
draw for you 2 out of 5. So this is now a circle.
Oh,
We
bigger.
divide it into, let's say 5 parts. Then we shade 2 parts. This is 2 out of 5. Okay, that's 2 out of 5. Huh? Now we do 8 out of 9. 8 out of 9. You got 9 parts now. 9 parts. Oh, 9 parts. I put 3 here. So inside here, 3, 3, 3 lah. 8 parts is almost the whole thing, you know. 8 parts is almost holding like that.
Wait, my answer is 1. My answer is 1.
See down here like that. Just a little bit more left. So the biggest is this one because it's almost complete. A little one more becomes 9 out of 9. You get it? Huh? This okay, now if you know this one is the biggest, this one is surely bigger than this. Okay, I show you another way. We can do comparisons between the two. Okay, 8 and 5. 8 and 5. What's the same denominator? 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Okay,
40.
45. Okay, 8,
40.
9. 5 times 9 is 45. So you times 9, you times 5. You times 5, that's 40, right? 40 over 45. All right. This one times 9. So 18 over 45. So you know between these two, 9, 8, 9 is bigger. Now between 8, 9 and 1, 7, you know that this is 1 out of 7 parts. 8 out of 9 parts is much bigger. If you don't know, you can also times by 9, times by 7, times by 7, times by 9. Get 9 over 63 and 56 over 63. This is much bigger than this. So the biggest you know already is what? It is 8, 9. So this is number 1. So this one is out because they say biggest to smallest. This is out. So it's either one of these. So now you need to find out between these two numbers, which are, between the two numbers here, which one is bigger. So just times here by what? By
Number 4.
By 7. 14 over 35. Times by 5, times by 5. 5 over 35. 14 over 35. 5 over 35. So this must be second. So this is first, this is second, and this is third. Now again, this is the answer. This again is also a giveaway question. You can do this question. If you don't get this correct, you're just throwing your marks away. Move on to the next one.
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes.
No, it's okay.
So you must make sure you are careful. Otherwise, how are you going to do well if you know how to do it?
One.
1 says Sophia. What about Rehana? Rehana, you there?
Yes, I am. I'm trying to find it.
Okay, so the formula is half times base times side. What is the base, Rehana?
8 and 12.
8 and 12. Good, huh? So now, if you find it very confusing, just half the 12, half the two-digit number. Half of it is how much?
Half of it is 6.
6. So 6 times 8, huh? So you get
6 times 8 is 48. Is number
48.
1.
Yes. So this is the answer 1. Okay, that's how we can do it first. I do it mentally. So I know it's half times base times height. So I will half either the base or the height, whichever is easier. If this is a bigger number, I will half the 8. But this 12 is bigger number, so I halve it, I get 6. 6 times 8, I know it's 48. I can do it mentally. Now, so you remember this one is the height. Huh? Notice, this one is the height. Height is perpendicular to the base. Okay, next one. Trapezium. This is the trapezium. BDG. BDC. Find BDC, this one.
Answer is 2.
Answer is 2. What about Miss, let me see. Sorry,
My
sorry.
answer is
Okay. She overslept. Sorry. And where is it now? Answer is 2 and
2.
2 also. Okay. So 2. Well done. Now I'm just going to show you there's a Z down here. 1. So when there's a Z, you know that this 20 degrees is equals to this 20 degrees. This is 20 degrees also. So in a triangle, 20 plus this equals to 180. So step 1. Step 1, I'm just running through in case you got it by fluke. 20 degrees plus 125 equals to 145. Then 180, because that's angles in a triangle, minus these two angles. 180 minus 145 equals to 35. And the answer is here, B, number 2. Okay, you're not doing this one. Okay, now this one.
Answer is 2.
2 says Miss Sophia. What about the next one? Sophia, you can try. This one is divide. Huh? Raihana, what about you?
Sure, wait. Answer number 2 for number 8.
2. Okay, good. Both of you got it correct. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, never mind. You do that one first. Now Zahira can try 8 and 9. Or do number 9. Do number 9
My
first.
answer for 9 is 3.
3. Okay, do number 9 straight. What about Raihana and Zahira? Number 9.
My answer for number 9 is number 3.
My answer for number 9 is 3.
Okay, so both your answers correct. Just take 86 times 17. Now for this one, I just explain very quickly. P is to Q is to R. So P is to Q is 5 is to 2. So you write 5 is to 2 here, right? Then Q is to R is 3 is to 4, right? So you need to make this one the same number. So this one you times 3, you times 3. So you get 15 now here. Then this one you got times 2, you times 2. So you get 6. Center you get 6. 6, huh? And then remember you times 2, so this one times 2 you get 8. So R as a fraction of P, R over P. R over P. 8 over 15, which is number 2. Okay, we move on to the next one. Number 10, please.
My answer is number 4.
Okay. For you, you need warm up now. Once you get warm up, so be careful. Your warm up part is when you make mistakes. So just now question 1 you got wrong, right? So now the later question you are getting it right. Well done, well done. You wait for the other 2 ladies.
You know, right? Since just now, I already finished 3 food.
Fruit.
Food.
Food. What one sandwich?
1 sandwich and 2 of these.
Oh, chocolate.
No,
Agar-agar.
it's jelly.
Jelly.
No, but then just now I ate peach one.
So are you having your dinner later?
Yes, I just ate
Answer
nasi.
number 4.
Oh, number 4, okay. What about Zahira? 2 persons.
Number 4.
Number 4, okay. So very easy. This is 2y, right? This one's 2y. This one is also 4y plus 5. So 4y plus 5. We go this y plus 5. So we count the number of y's. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So this is the only one with 12y. Okay, 12y correct. This is the correct answer. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. So 12y plus 10. Okay, again, you count the number of y's, 4y plus 4y, 8y plus 2y, 10y plus another 2y, 12y. So 12y, then 5 plus 5, 10. 12y plus 10. So notice you can get all the questions correct, even though this is so-called Raffles paper, you can get it all correct. Remember, percentage, you must know what is 100%. So down here, this is the question. You must know what is 100% here. What is 100%?
Wallet.
Ah, yes. Pen is how many percent?
80.
Good. So you find out now.
I don't get the first one. I don't get the first.
The cost of the
sentence.
wallet and the pen is 99 together.
Yeah, but then like you never like. Very hard to do.
Okay, you do comparison method lah.
Huh?
Okay, you all agree, wallet has how many percent wallet?
100.
100%. Okay, I won't think of 100%. Pen is how many percent?
80.
So altogether is 100 and
80.
good, 180 percent. Okay, so I write 180% here. Now this is equals to how much? Equals to how much?
99. Oh, okay. I did that.
Then what you do? Okay, you can do comparison method at 99. 99.
99 divide by 180, right?
No, divide by 9. Both of them can divide 9. Divide by 9. How much you get? 180 divided by 9. Cover the 0. 18 divided by 9. 20. 20, right?
No, 20.
Correct, right? Because you divide by 9, you cover the 0. And then 99 divided by 9, how much you get? Divide by 9, divide by 9. 1, right? 1, 1. So 1, 1 is 11. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 11. Now, how much is the pen? That's not how many percent?
20.
No. Pen.
80.
80. So now this is 80%. From 20, how you get 80%? You times by 2 to get times by 4. So times 11 by 4, what do you get?
44.
44. That's your answer. You get it? Girls, you get it? Rahana, get it? Okay. Now this is, so I show you both methods lah. Okay, both methods now. Remember, there's always a formula method. There's always a comparison method. I find I'm too slow using that. So now we agree that the pen is 80%. You have already identified, and then the wallet is 100%. All right. So you add together 180%. 180% is $99. So you want to find 1%, it's a difficult division. So we just divide by 9. Both of them can divide by 9. See, you look at 18, cover the 0. Oh, 18 can divide by 9. I get 2. Add the 0 back here. 9 divided by 9, 1. 9 divided by 9, 1. 11. So now this one, you want to find the price of the pen. The pen is 80. So times 4. To times 4 here, you must also times 4 here. 44. This is method number 1. Method number 2, remember, you want to find the pen. The pen is 80%. So you write like that. Remember this thing, formula method. So beneath here, the second fraction, you always put a 1 for the denominator. So down here, you already use percent. 80 is percent, you know. So you must write another percent here. What is the percent? You know that this is $99. It correlates. Don't write 100 because it's not. 100 is not equals to 99. 180 is equals to 99. So you can put 180 because these two must correlate. Once you do this, you find cancel 0, cancel 0. Okay, you can divide by 9, right? Divide by 9, you get 2. Divide 9, you get 11. Divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 4. 4 times 11, $44. Same thing. Same thing. So again, if you feel that for this question you prefer this, use this. Sometimes you may feel you use the formula method is easier. Sometimes you use this method, you understand better. So you use what you understand. Okay, use what you understand. That's the important thing. Okay, now we do the next one.
My answer is number 1.
Number 1 for question number 12. Okay, we wait for the rest.
Mr. Shaheed, what is the answer?
I can't tell you because you're waiting for the rest.
Okay.
We're waiting for the rest. Hold on, I myself calculating. I made a mistake in my calculation.
Answer is number 1.
Number 1. Okay, we're waiting for one more sister. You know who the sister is.
So wait.
Number 1. Let's see number 1.
Eh?
Okay, never mind. We
So I don't get the right answer.
never mind. No problem. Okay, you do with me. You do with me now. Now, imagine we have to add this up first. So imagine this is $10. 54, 65 plus $10. How much you get? Plus 10. $54 plus 10. How much?
64.
So I write 64, 65. But remember, I added 10 cents extra. Now I must minus 10 cents. So we minus 10 cents, how much we get? I minus 10 cents now. How much I get when I minus 10
For what
cents?
you do that?
Because I want to do mentally. I'm showing you how to do mentally because sometimes you make me okay. if you want to learn how to do mentally, I make it round up to $10, so I know I get 55.65. But actually, this is more than 9.90. It's 10 cents more, so I must minus 10 cents. I get 54.55. Then the next step, I'll make it $13. 54 plus 13, how much do I get? 55 plus 13. I get 54 plus 10, 64. 64 plus 3, 67, 55. But I must minus 10 cents again. Why? Because I added 10 cents extra. So I get, no, sorry, not 64 lah. Sorry, 64, sorry, not 54. This is 64, 77, 55, minus 10 cents equals to $77.45. That's how much he paid for everything. Okay, you must get $77.45. And then you minus, you take $100 because there's two $50 notes, you see. One $50 notes is $50. Two $50 is 100. So 100 minus 77.45, you get 22.55. $22.55. So in case if you're not sure, if you can't get it correct, then we have to add now here. Okay, my suggestion is don't add all three numbers at one go. Add two numbers first, 54.65 plus 9.90. Okay, in this case, you don't need to round off to 10. Add 5, 15, carry 1, 10, 14, carry 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, right? So 6, 4, 5, 5 is 6, 4, 5, 5, right? Okay, then you plus 12.90 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 14, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 77.45. And then take $100, put a dot here, minus $77.45. Okay, borrow from here, you get 10, then become 9, get 10, becomes 9, get 10, becomes 9, get 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. So this is your answer. $22.55. Okay, it should be quite easy, straightforward. It's not too tough. You realize it's not too tough. Now, why can't they give too tough questions? As I explained, you are taking PSLE. They have to decide. If all the questions are difficult, can you imagine? Those who are average students, those who are not so good students, they will all get the same score. So they need to give some easy, some middle difficulty, middle level difficulty, and some difficult. So they can have a nice spread. Oh, the very good one can do everything. The middle ability can do more than the low ability. So they can know whether you go to normal tech, normal academic, or express. They need to know that. All right? They need to know that for streaming. Which is
Express is how many?
I think
200 plus.
yeah, 210, I think. But some schools, I think 205, they won't accept it. But again, for you, you are in the madrasa, so I think they accept, right? What's the cutoff? Do you find out?
210, I think.
So which is the heaviest block? Zahira, later during the break, you can ask your cousin to join us. She was asleep. Her mom says she's cranky. Maybe if your cousin wake her up, it'll be okay. Otherwise, she miss out.
Number 4.
Number 4 says Sophia.
I also say number 4.
Number 4. What about Miss Regular, Irregular?
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay, how to do this? Is logic lah. A is heavier than B. D is heavier than A and B. So D must be heavier than A and B, right? And B is heavier than C. So that means D is heavier than A and B. D is also heavier than C. So D is the heaviest. I do not know how else to explain. Actually, there are other ways actually. You can arrange them in order lah. Let us say now. A and B, which one is heavier? Oh, A is heavier. Okay, A heavier than B. Okay, B is lighter. B is lighter down here. Okay, then, so B is down now. Then B and C, C is lighter for this one. Got 2 C's equal to 1 B. So 1 B is heavier than the C. And then D, D is the same weight of these two. That means D must be the highest. You can also do something like that. An arrangement. If you are more a visual person, you need to draw on your test paper. Don't worry about it being untidy and whatnot. Never mind. No one cares. No one cares. You know what they do to the question paper, right? They will just throw it away. They are only interested in your answer sheet. Unless you write your answer in the question paper. I don't think so, right? Okay, now we do question number, what's the time now? 2 more minutes. Okay, you might not have time to complete both. So we try one first, and then we can break. We can break for Maghrib now, and then once you are back, I'll leave this page on then. Okay. So far, you look as if you are really enjoying the fruit. What is that? Pear. I want to have you in a commercial apple. You can be in a commercial apple commercial. Sophia eating the apple. Wow. You see, yeah, I want to have what that girl is having. Okay, we'll stop for Maghrib here. All right, and then we'll continue in a moment at 7:30. And Zahira, please ask your cousin to join, okay?
I'm asking now.
Okay, so 7:15, I will now pause down here. 15, we are skipping question 14 because there's a problem in question.
I don't understand the question.
No. Okay, there's printer A and B. They can print 348 pages in 4 minutes. You find how many pages is that in 1 minute? You divide by 4.
Because you say
3
all is equal number for 1 minute, right?
Yeah, we try B and C also 1 minute. And then after that, from there, I will show you. Okay, I will show you, inshallah.
One minute is 87 pages.
87 pages. Okay, good. What about the other one?
Oh, wait.
Another one is 92 pages.
Sorry?
92 pages, another one.
92.
Yeah, 92.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
what?
Oh. Hold on, hold on. Let's see. A plus B is how much? 1 minute?
348.
Yeah, but you divide, you get 87, is it?
7 years.
And then B and C?
92.
92. Now down here, B is there. B is there, right? Okay. So you know C can print more than A. Do you agree? Do you agree that C can print more than A? Okay, maybe I draw the other way. I draw like that. I draw a model. We do not know. We know this is B. This one is A. B is the same, correct? It has to be the same speed. It's the same machine. So I draw it like that. You can see now, it's the same size. Now C is longer, bigger. C. So down here to here is 92. You can see, huh? From here to here is 87. So how much more can C? How many more can C? How many more pages can C print in 1 minute? Down here. You take 92 minus 87. You get 5. In 1 minute, it can print 5 more. In 4 minutes, they ask you how many minutes. In 5 minutes, take 5 times 5, 5 minutes, 25. Okay, so you're confused because you say, I don't know what B is. Okay, we don't need to worry about what B is. I'll draw you another model here. Okay, I draw you another model, right? Now down here, let's say now B is long. Let's say B is very long down here. Let's say A is short. All together from here to here is 92 copies in 1 minute. So with B, we have to draw the same size because now B and C. C is more. Why? How do we know more? So it's not 92, it's 87. 87, sorry. Yeah. B and A is 87. B and C is 92, must be longer. This is 87. 92 must be longer. So I draw a longer piece. So from here to here is 92. Now let's say now I take 92 minus 87. Which part is it? Well, 87 covers until here.
Of the C.
It covers here.
5.
So if I take 92 minus 87, I minus this part off, which is also the difference between A and C. C is more than A by this much. If I take 92 minus 87, so I get 5. The difference is every 1 minute, it can print 5 copies more. But I do not know how many C can print actually. I just know that C can print 5 more copies than A. And then they ask in 5 minutes, how many more copies can, 1 minute, 5 copies, 5 minutes, 5 times 5, 25. Okay, yeah? Sophia, I saw you put, okay, good, all right. I hope you get it. To tell you honestly, okay, I want to be very honest here. I didn't know how to do this until I went to the board. I was thinking, how do I do this? And I'm recording this. It might be highly embarrassing if I do not know how to do this. But in my heart, what do I say? There's 3 laws, of mastering mathematics. Number 1, you remember what is number 1? Number 1 is what? Sophia, you remember not? Number 1. You have to believe in yourself. So I believe in myself. But you say, no, you are a teacher. You surely believe. No. Even teachers also, tutors also, sometimes they cannot get it right. So I have to believe myself. Number 2, I have to practice. Practice same type of questions. Practice different type of questions. But the first thing you got to believe. If you don't believe, you will give up totally. Okay, so we have finished paper 1A. Cousin not coming. Is cousin coming, Miss No, Zahira? Cousin not coming. Cousin merajuk Okay, never mind. That's
She's sleepy.
Sleepy. Okay, I saw you are sleepy, so I know this period you'll be very tired. You know why? In school, they're giving you a lot of work. So this is going to happen to you. Every time towards the exam, you start feeling stressed and whatnot. But you say, okay, this is just normal part of Singapore life. Question 16, where we put the 100? Always
My answer is 9/4.
9/4 for this one.
Yes.
Okay. Now for this one, remember this is the ones. Down here is the 10. Down here is the 100. Remember 100, right? Down here. All right, 100. Down here is the 1,000. We want only under 100, so you know where to put the 5. Beside the 1 is the 10. 10 is 1/10. Remember, your 1, you must identify where the ones is. If you know the ones position, you can do this really. This one is 1/100. Okay, I just put dot 100 got 3 digits. Okay, and then this one, thousands, right? 4. So you know how to fill in. Just fill in. You tell me now, Sophia, where do I put the 5? Where? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth.
I cannot see.
Let's see.
No, I don't know what you write for the first one, that one.
No, okay, so no, you know this one is ones. The next one will be, beside the ones is
Second.
second one. So put the 5 in second. Okay, then where do you put the 7?
7 at the
At
10th
the
place.
first after the dot.
After the dot. Okay, so ones, this one is 10. So put 7 here. Where do we put the 9? Where do we put the 9?
The 9 is 7 then 0 then 7.
Now you do this one, is it? Now here is it?
Yes.
Because it's 1,000. 10, 100, thousands. But all with the TH.
Yes.
This one got no TH. That's why it's before the dot. Before the decimal place. Those with TH after the decimal place. Very simple. The point here, this is before, this is after, and ones will always be down here. So down here you put the 9. So once you put the 9, what do we do the rest? Just fill up lah. Fill up is 0. This one is all 0 lah. Okay, 0. Don't need to fill any more down here. Okay, this one is 0. So 500.709. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. You must be able to do this. You must be able to do this. Okay, you take the time to revise all this by watching the video. I've uploaded all the videos. Okay, this is the answer. Why did I draw more? Because I want you to identify the place. You don't need this one, you don't need. This one also you don't need. I didn't want to draw this. I want to see whether you understand. Okay, the next one, Miss Zahira says it's 9/4. What do the rest say? Oh, stretch open. I think I'll show this on the board shortly. Yeah. Rahana, are you there, Rahana? Very quiet, huh?
I am.
Paging for Rahana, are you there?
So I am here.
Okay, just checking, just checking. Okay. Anyone else? Sophia can do? Rahana can do?
Yes.
Confused is okay, I can show.
So is it minus 1 by 1?
Sorry, what you say?
Is it minus 1 by 1?
No.
Wait.
You okay? You do like this. You look at the screen. Look at the screen. What you do down here? To combine all of this, how much is this? How much you get?
4 out of 12.
Good. Now, now we take 2, 7, 12 minus 4 out of 12. What's the answer? Sophia, I can see you. Sophia, what's the answer? Rahana, what's the answer? 7 minus 4?
2 whole 3 out of 12.
2, 3 out of 4.
Okay, good. 2, 3 over 12. Now that's down here, if you look at the question, they say how many over 4? So can we change this to 4?
Wait.
Change to 4?
27. But 27 cannot divide by 4, eh?
No, don't worry, don't change first. You change this thing to 4 first. Divide by what?
Divide by
3.
3, good. So you get 2 whole 1 over 4.
1 over 4.
Okay, now 2 times 4 is how much?
8.
Plus 1?
Plus 1 plus 9 over 4.
9 over 4. Can do?
Yes.
I'll give you another question now. Okay, you must try another question. What's the name? Zahira, you also try, yeah? Although you got it correct. Can you see? Zahira, you try this also, eh? This is 2 down. Sophia can do, Sophia. What are you looking at, Sophia? I like it too, Sophia. Okay, try. Come focus on this. Focus on this. You only got 1 more month. 1 more month to your PSLE. Offer 1 more month to PSLE.
Is it 7 over 2?
Zahira says 7 over 2. What about the rest? Rahana can do?
Now wait.
Okay, remember just add this thing like just now.
This is quite tricky because you need to divide what?
Okay, so okay, you add what's okay. Both of you, Sophia and Rahana, you add how much
4
you get?
over 12.
4 over 12. So now 3, 5, 6 minus 4 over 12 times by 2 times by 2. This equals to 5 times 2 is how many?
10
10 over 12 minus 4 over 12. Okay, what's your answer?
equals to 6.
6 over 12. This 3 don't forget, eh? But now this one is 2, you know. 12 to 2 divide by what? 12, 12 divided by what?
6.
6. So divide by 6 here. So you get 3, 1 over 2. Now, 3, 1 over 2. How to change 3, 1 over 2 to improper fraction?
To 7 over 2.
Yeah, 7 over 2. Put the 7 here. Congratulations to Ms. Zahira. Sophia, are you confused? Honestly? Confused? Yes. Okay. But you understand the method now? Okay, now we give you one more time. One more time. Once more. Okay, now we try another number. Oh, equals to. Sorry, yeah. Okay.
Twenty-three over 4.
My answer is 23 over 4.
Okay.
Maybe
Sophia,
Shaheed,
how?
I cannot get the answer.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Sophia, we do together, okay? Here we go now. Okay, Sophia, now we add these two together. How much is it?
2 out of 10.
Good. This is equals to how many out of 20?
4 out of 20.
Good. So now we're going to take 5, 19 out of 20 minus 4, 20. How much do you get?
15 over 20.
Okay. Now notice this is have 4 now here. Can you change it to 4 then?
5.
Divide by 5. So 5.
5 3 over 4.
Okay. Do you get this, Sophia? Sophia, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now down here. So now you got to change it to improper fraction. Sophia, what is 5 times 4?
20.
Plus 3?
23. Oh,
Okay, Sophia, I'm going to ask you. So there's 23. All right. Sophia, how do you change this to? Okay, Sophia, how to change it?
Wait, 35.
Okay, good. You understand, huh?
Yeah.
All right, we move on, okay? Now, if you can't remember, then you move on to, sorry, you watch the video. Move on to the next question, what am I saying? All right, here we go. Okay. Ali and 8 other classmates get Ella a birthday treat. Belanja lah, belanja. What was the total amount? Total amount of $108.45. They decided to share the cost equally. Chicken lah.
Is it $12.05?
Okay, $12.05 say Zahira, let's see, the rest.
$12.05 also.
12%, Okay, just a moment. We wait for Rahana. Rahana can do?
Wait, I know.
Okay. Ken, what's your answer?
Wait,
Divide by how many, Rahana? You divide by 8, is it?
yes.
But how many persons are there, Rahana?
Oh,
Aha. That's why you cannot get an answer. So, that is the issue. Okay, so some parts maybe Sophia might be weak, some parts Rahana weak, some parts Zahira. Zahira, how is Kakak doing in her maths?
$2.50.
$2.50. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, hold on. Now, Rahana, we do together. Can 1 divide by 9? Cannot, right? So 10, can divide by 9? A number smaller than 10? 9, agreed? So you're 1. 1, You minus, bring down, 8. 18 divided by 9?
Zahira, I know the drama behind you.
So you must put a dot down here.
I watched.
So Rahana can see it's 12 already. Now you bring down $12.50. Okay, now let's see now. 4 you bring down, 4 cannot divide by 9. You must put a 0. See, 4 cannot divide by 9. Put a 0. Bring down the 5, 45. Then you get 5. 12.05. Okay? Almost there, almost there. All right. Okay, here we go. We move on to the next one. This one, I got to make it bigger for you guys. Hold on. Find the mess. Sorry. Find the mess of the apple. Okay. Wow. Speak Chinese.
Huh? So
One is how many?
this thing is how much?
You do the same method. I take bigger number minus smaller.
8.
One person says 1 is 8. Let us see. You follow the formula. Step 1. What is step 1? Step 1, take bigger number minus smaller.
Wait. Sorry, yeah.
No problem.
So what is 16 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8? 16 plus 32.
Correct.
600
16 plus 30, 130, 60 plus 32. So how much you get?
192
Good. And then?
minus 50.
So
142.
142, we'll ask the rest. Sophia, how are you doing, Sophia? I can't see
My
you,
answer
Sophia.
is 142. The match got open.
140. Okay. What about Sophia? Sophia can do not, Sophia? Sophia?
142 gram.
Okay, 142 for both of you. So what about Sophia? Sophia, can you do? Or cannot do? While we wait, Zahira, how is Kakak doing in the maths? Is she doing good or not? Is your Kakak doing okay, Inshira?
I think so.
Think so. Okay, that's good. Sophia, since you're not
What
there, I
time
do
class
not know
end?
where. Sorry?
What time class end?
Class ends at 8:15 or slightly.
Sure, can I show a video?
15. Yeah. Okay, hold on. At 8:15 you can. Sophia, can you do this one? You know how to do it, Sophia?
No. Wait, I
You have not tried, you say
can.
no. Okay, so never mind. Okay, you do. Okay, I'm just going to draw like that, and then you see. You continue, Sophia.
Mr. Shaheed, one is how much?
Yeah, you got to find out. You got to calculate. The method I give you down there. Big number
One
minus
is
small number.
8. 160 minus 80 is 80. And 80
Okay,
divided by 10
thanks,
is
thanks,
8.
thanks, thanks.
Okay, let's see. Okay, for those of you get confused, you imagine now this is curve, right? You bend it, it becomes straight like a ruler. Same thing. Okay, same thing. And then you
My answer
calculate.
is 142 gram.
Okay, all of you got it correct. Congratulations. Now, just now someone was asking me, okay, you got 8. Okay, I go step by step. A big number minus smaller number. 240 minus 160 equals 80. So from here to here is 80. Count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 parts equals
80
to
divided by 10.
80. Then you divide by 8, you get 10.
80 divided by
You
10.
divide by 10, sorry.
You got
10
8.
parts, divide by 10, you get 8. So 1 is 8. So you can plus like that, or you can also find what is in between. For me, I roughly estimate 240, 160. This one is 80. Half must be how much? Half must be 40. So I add 40, I get 200. Down here is 200. Then I minus 8, I get 192. That's what I do mentally. You see, this is 80. I want to have it so I get a center point. 80 divided by 2, I will get 40 here. So I take 160 plus 40, get 200. Or 240 minus 40, I get 200. Then I minus 8. That's another way. Or you can just plus from here. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Or you can take 8 times 4, 32. So 160 plus 32, you get 192. And then minus 50 grams is 142. Congratulations. All 4 of you got it correct. Well done. Well done. Okay, well done. This one you can do lah, son. Natasha. Natasha is the name of my cousin. She was, I think, one of the first students I taught, my cousin. Now she's an air stewardess in Dubai, I think.
Natasha is my friend's name.
Your friend's name. Okay. I taught her how many years ago? Oh God, 31 years ago. Oh God. I am Omena. Omena. 31 years ago, my goodness. If you get confused by this, you change the K, put the K, replace it with something. Let's say 100. Okay, let's say you take 100. Now, what do you do? You know what I mean?
My answer is K plus 8 out of 17.
Okay. So I write answer down here. K out.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes, miss.
I thought you said you wanted to learn a story.
Hold on, hold on. We have not finished yet. We have not.
Answer is K minus 8 cm divided by 17.
Okay, so one of these. And what about you, Miss Rahena?
Where is Shafika?
She's upset.
Why?
Okay, this is a story. One day, two cousins went to sleep, took a nap in the afternoon. One woke up and attended the tuition session, while the other became grumpy and said, I don't want. And that's the story of Shafika.
Oh lol.
K minus 8 divided by 7.
Okay, so now
Oh,
which
ada
one
mana
is
yet
correct?
ah?
Bracket.
The mother said she
No,
was
wait,
so.
I changed that one minus because, yeah,
Yours minus or plus?
minus. I changed to minus.
Okay, now, so we must remember, let's replace the ribbon. The ribbon, let's say, is 100. So you must minus the extra first before you divide. Sophia, you must minus the extra because this is extra. After she cut, there's extra. So you must minus the extra. So you get like 92. Then 92 divided by 17. So the steps is, first of all, we must minus. So this is correct. You get it now? I don't think you get it. See, she doesn't know I'm talking to her. Sophia, do you get it? What do you get? What is it? You must minus the extra first. Sophia, get it now, Sophia. You see, she's looking there, looking here. That's why with the camera, only irregular. I do not know what she's doing. Okay, one more question.
What, sure? I'm here.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, very
Trust
good.
me, sure.
I trust you.
Just my brother all distracting me. One eating, one playing computer.
Oh, you got two brothers, huh? Okay, we do the next one. Two brothers. Both are older or 1 year older, one younger?
Abang Ryan is
Older.
Abang Ryan
yeah,
older. One is younger.
your younger brother, how old is your younger brother?
P4.
P4. So,
Are you the only girl?
P4, P6, and Sec 2. Every 2 years.
Sec 1.
Sec 1. Oh, Sec 1. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Chef Tan. Easy lah, this one.
Is it one whole 27 out of 40?
Yeah. 137 over 40. Okay, that's what she says. What about the rest? Notice maths gets easier and easier. Soon it will be easier than many of your other subjects. This happened to many of my students. But you must not stop lah. You're practicing. Zahira, are you starting to like mathematics? Little bit? You don't like a little bit lah, a little bit. Last time you hated, is it? Yeah, it's okay. This is normal. This is normal. Sometimes we hate because it's too tough. We don't understand. It doesn't make sense. But you keep on practicing, you'll find that getting an A is so easy. You know how to cycle? Can you cycle a bicycle? Do you think you can forget how to cycle a bicycle?
I cycle bicycle. I don't know how to cycle.
Okay, so inshallah, I think you should ask your dad or mom or brother to teach you. This maths is like cycling. Once you know how to cycle, you know how to swim, you cannot forget. You cannot forget for sure. Even if you want to forget, you cannot forget. But you must get the right method now. But if you do not know how to cycle a bicycle, okay, like Rahana, she say it's very tough. Is it tough, Rahana?
No, Abang Ryan don't want to teach me.
How did he learn?
Ayah.
Ask Ayah to teach you.
I don't want. I want Abang to teach.
Why?
Huh? Abang won't scold. He only scold when you forget.
Ask your mom to teach you then.
Mommy, need to go cook and take care of ID.
Take care of who?
Take care of my little brother.
But your brother is 10 years old already.
Yeah, he don't know how to take simple stuff like cereal.
I don't, because he's pampered, maybe pampered. Okay, come. This is Miss what's her name? Miss Zahira's answer. Sophia, are you doing the question, Sophia? Sophia is, her frame is freeze. Okay, Sophia, what's the answer for Sophia? What are you doing? Sophia is doing something else. No. Sophia, don't be like that. Very simple. It's so simple.
What is 52 minus 25?
52 minus 25 is 27. But why you minus? He used this amount of flour to make some muffins. He used
all
5
together, or
yes. You minus, you'll be getting a different
Sure,
answer.
I need to practice on my timing.
Timing
for doing the paper. But I got not enough time to do.
Yeah, okay, that's something you all got to practice on your own. I won't, otherwise we'll be meeting each other too many times.
Chill, cannot.
If you want, we can have a session. We have a session, you'll do the test paper.
Can go to the tuition center and do.
Hey, it's going to just 1 more month, 4 more sessions, 4 more weeks. Okay, so this is 1, 3. I'm going to show you straight lah. But we are waiting for you guys to work it out. Plus
Don't show.
5, 8. Okay, you tell me now what number. You tell me the working. Anyone, either Sophia or
What is 77 divided by 40?
77 divided by 40. Or you do a tough one now. 137 over 40 like this. You don't need to change everything. Okay, you don't need to change. I'll show you. I'll show you shortly.
I make it to the simplest one. You do 80 more terms.
No, okay, you can hit 80. You can say times by how many? 4.
Yeah, I do times 4.
Okay, then you get 40 here, right?
Yeah.
Then on top 3 times 4. 3 times 4.
So 3 times 4.
Yeah, also times 4.
That one 12.
12. Okay, so you got 12 here.
Wait. Chill, wait.
12, huh? Then down here times by 5. 8 times 5. So you get what? What is this you're doing? 45. 5 times 5, how much you get? Not 45. 20.
25.
So you add, then all you need to do is add. You don't need to divide, you see. So the whole, you add the whole, you get what? What do you get? 1 whole 37 over 40. Okay. 1 whole 37 over 40. Congratulations, Miss Zahira.
Yeah, I also got.
And Miss Raihana. Sophia, do you get it? You know how to do, right, Sophia? Okay, kan? Okay, now you say you want to share a video, right, Miss? What's her name?
It's your video.
My video? What video?
One of your video. Wait, let me share first.
Hey, don't share that video. Why didn't you share the video for? What video is that? Is that tuition video? This is not my video. Oh, you're going to show me as a, what is it, as a, hey, don't show all that. Come, my video. Hey,
Wait, you know NCT ah?
Hey, no, we don't share this one. We don't share this one. Miss, we don't share this one. Okay, I will end it here. Don't share. What are you going to share? Are you gonna? Oh my goodness. Oh, this one you're gonna share. Okay, this is not so bad lah.
I did watch lah.
No sound. This was.
Is it a compilation book? The first one.
Sorry.
The first one was your book.
Yeah, all the books I've written. I've written more than 30 books. But I'm still not successful. I'm so sad.
So I think the Met Inspector is yours.
Yeah, my translated name is Mata Salem.
I got the Met
book.
Inspector and the comprehension.
Oh, okay. Well, I hope it helps. So yeah, this is in my tuition center.
Wow.
I think you should start recording.
Yeah. Okay. So this one actually, this boy got A star. No? It's nice.
Are you
Hey, no.
Are
Down
you
here. Yeah.
Are you a ex vice principal?
No, I'm an ex-school teacher.
Ini ada your book.
Oh, wow.
Wait.
Yes.
Yesterday, next session I show.
Okay. All right now. Okay, we stop here. Okay.
Is it the Met Inspector
Zahira,
book? Is
wow.
it for like
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Inspector book? Is it a science book?
There's two of them is a science book. This one is a science book.
I got the justice.
Yeah. Okay, then I see you all. Okay, Sophia, I've gone. Okay, assalamualaikum. See you.